Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is how to install Windows 10 May Update 21H1. To download your 21H1 update, just click on your Windows icon. From there, go to your settings and now from here, click on Update and Security. Here, you will see a section which says Feature Update to Windows 10 version 21H1. From here, you can download and install your update, and in case if you want to see what are the things which have been included, you can see here by just clicking on it. Well, in case if you do not see this section here, there is another way which you can use to download your update for your Windows 10. So I will just close this window, open your browser and go to the link which has been provided to you in the description. After that, scroll down. By the way, this is the official website of Microsoft. Click on this button which says download tool now. Just click on it and here it is. Just click on start download and now our tool is been downloading. Just open it. Now it is getting ready, so we will wait for it. Here is the license agreement. Just click on accept and here we have two options. Either we can upgrade this system from here right now, or you can create installation media which can be USB flash drive, or you can make ISO file. You can make your ISO file or USB flash drive if you want to install this update on any other system. But if you do not want to do this, you can click on next from here. I will show you that how you can create installation media from here. Just click on this option and now click on next. Click on next because I'm going with the default options here. Now from here you can either create a USB flash drive or you can create an ISO file. I'm going to create an ISO file here. You can go with either of them as per your choice. So click on next here. Now select the directory where you want to keep your ISO file. I'm going to keep it at my desktop. I will select my desktop and after that click on save. Now what it is doing, it is downloading Windows 10 update 21H1. It will take little bit of time, so please wait for it to get it complete. Now we have to go to the directory where we have created our ISO file. So if you remember, I chose the documents directory. So here it is. I will just double click on this ISO file and here we have a file with the name of setup.exe. Double click on it. After that, it will download some more files and it will ask you to do some customized setting. And when you are done with all of that, you will get to this screen. From here, you just need to click on this button which says install. Now what will happen when you click on this install button, your system will restart for several times because it will install the update in your system or in your Windows 10. So I will just click on install button and I will see you after we are done with the installation of this update into my system. So we are done with the download and installation process of Microsoft Windows 21H1 update. Now I will go to my settings again. Here it is. I will open it. And now I will go to my systems. From here, I will scroll down and I will go to my about section. And in here, if you see here, it says version 21H1. It means we have successfully updated our Windows 10 with the 21H1 update. Here, if you go back and go to update and security section, here you do not see the update option anymore because we have successfully updated our system, and when we are done with it, we will not see that option here. So that was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And please press the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos from us. If you have something to ask, please leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.